In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can generate Sora 2 videos that are going to generate you between 5 to 20K in profit every single month. And by the way, I'm also after I'm going to show you how to generate it, the videos, I'm also going to show you how to exactly monetize these videos and how to actually turn these videos into profit. You go to florafauna.ai and you add whatever product you want to sell as a picture in there. You just drag it on there. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on plus and then on video, and you're just gonna choose Sora 2 Pro and then 9:16. The resolution is 1080p, duration is 8 seconds. The easiest way to make AI content is with supplements. The reason for that is because you wanna show a before after effect of that supplement. We're gonna add a prompt to generate a video to have this before after effect created. Basically the concept we're gonna generating the same exact person, but with a little bit of a swollen face as a before picture, and then the person speaking without a swollen face showing how they did it. The prompt is going to be, create a realistic UGC style video of a 50-year-old woman filming herself at home. She's in a normal kitchen, a little messy, real life environment. The camera is vertical, shaky, handheld. Natural daylight, she looks 50 years old. Natural face, no heavy makeup. She talks fast, friendly, real and casual. And we're gonna have an exaggerated swollen selfie in the corner. And she says, and then we will basically add the line, this is how I looked 2 months ago. And this is how I look now. So we're gonna click on generate, and we're actually gonna duplicate the video. So it generates the same exact video a few times, so it can actually pick the best one. But this video looks super good, and we're just gonna later add one picture on top of this one. And this is already a great pre-hook. So most of the videos that do really well right now on TikTok are videos which start like this, which have this kind of pre-hook, and then they basically transition into a speaker on stage talking about these kind of things. And she is basically the testimonial for this speaker. Now, how we're going to do that is we're going to add one more thing here, basically going to be image. We're going to use the AI model Nano Banana. That's the best one for images right now, that one in Hicksfield, but let's use Nano Banana. Again, 9:16. So here what I usually do is I just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate the prompt for me. So it's going to be a speaker on stage holding the microphone, having a whiteboard behind him with something drawn on it, which makes sense for this kind of content. And you basically just tell ChatGPT everything to generate the prompt for this one, and then ChatGPT does that, and we're gonna insert it here. I already did this, so let me just put it in. This is the image we're gonna use to generate the full video. The structure of the video is gonna be this pre-hook of this woman, and then this guy speaking on stage. This image is already by itself really good. However, obviously the image is useless without having the person speak about it. So on stage now, we're gonna turn the image into a video. The easiest way to make the full video in terms of the script, you just go on TikTok or Kalo Data and find a video which already did well in this supplement niche, however, is for a different angle. All right, so in this case, this video, for example, it's for men. It's a similar thing, and the angle is like detoxing your liver and talking about pain points, etc. We're just gonna take this script and then change it up onto females for more of the weight loss thing. How we're going to do that is we're just going to copy and paste the link of the video onto this software, which is called TalkScript. Basically, it's just going to give you captions of the whole video. So it's going to just write in text what this guy said, so we can use that to generate our video. And then we just copy the script and go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what we want. So this script is targeted more towards aging. However, that doesn't matter. You can just tell ChatGPT to change the angle from aging to weight loss and from men to women. That's basically essentially what we want. So after you copy the script, we're just going to go to 11 Labs and we're going to choose text to speech. Here you can choose your speaker, just going to use this one, and then you basically generate.
If you wake up and your face looks swollen and puffy, that's not just getting older, sister.
Now we have the voiceover, and now we basically just have to make the person, like the image, speak what we have here. We have the script, now we're just going to generate the video, and that's basically going to be it for that. Now the other tool we're going to use is HeyGen, where we're going to insert the script and basically generate the video. So first we're going to choose photo to video. So here you basically will just add the picture, which we created with Flora Fauna, and then also the audio, which we created with 11 Labs. We insert that and it's going to generate the video for us.
If you wake up and your face looks swollen and puffy, that's not just getting older, sister.
All right, and we basically have it. It's already done here. So now we just have to do a little basic editing. We're gonna go in CapCut, edit the pre-hook and the main part together, add captions and all of that, and that's almost it. Now we're gonna add the speaker actually onto the pre-hook as well. You can freeze the frame by just clicking here. dragging it on top here, and that's basically that. The last finishing touches is going to be increasing the volume, adding the captions, and we're pretty much done.
This is how I used to look 2 months ago, swollen, puffy face every morning. And this is how I look now, all because of this man right here. Just listen.
If you wake up and your face looks swollen and puffy, that's not just getting older, sister.
So the question is, what the fuck do you do with this video? So the easiest way to actually monetize a video like this is basically, instead of doing your own business, you will literally be an affiliate for a brand on TikTok Shop, which already needs exactly these kinds of videos. Okay, so they are there for the fulfillment. They have a bunch of stock of the same product which you're selling. And the only job you have is making videos like these. You post them, and these videos will get a bunch of views. These views will convert into sales for the brand, and the brand will pay you a really good commission depending on how much money you make. These commissions vary between 20 and 50% of the revenue. Keep in mind, if it would have been your own business, the profit margin is roughly the same. Like if you start your own dropshipping business or something like that, your profit margins are also going to be 20 to 50%. You're sticking to the same range without having to deal with any of the issues. You don't have to worry about stock. You don't have to worry about anything. The real question is just, where do you find these brands? How do you do it? And what do you need to get started? Easiest way to do it is in our mentorship program. We have these brands which will just connect with you, and we will also help you with all the technical setup, like to have a TikTok Shop account or a TikTok account with X amount of followers in a country which was verified. And it's like a lot of technical annoying shit which you have to actually go through to make this work. Now we're going to handle all of that. We're just going to like show you click by click where to do it, how to do it. We're going to show you exactly like where to get an account from without having to live in the US, without having to have a US LLC, without having to have a US bank account. None of that. You don't need any of it. You just basically make content for a brand which we're going to connect you with, for a product which already is proven to work, and we're going to keep pumping good concepts to you. Like we have hundreds of people who are doing the same exact thing, and they all come up with really good video ideas and with scripts in general. We're just going to hand them to you. Like we can just give you scripts and the brand as long as you're part of the program, where we can basically benefit of you being part of the ecosystem as well. I highly recommend clicking the link below, signing up for a free call, and we're going to basically see if we can get started working together. It's a one-on-one mentorship. We're just going to guide you through the whole process. Click the link below and I'll see you there.